Can you do this? Or this? Or this? Well, Australian Feliks Zemdegs can, and he's the best in the world. The 17-year-old has just been crowned this year's Rubik's Cube World Champ during a tense 3-day event that attracted 575 competitors from 37 different countries. He scooped $3,000 in prize money at the contest in Las Vegas. He scored the fastest average time of 8.18 seconds for solving the classic 3x3 cube, with the fastest single solve of 7.36 seconds, as well as winning the one-handed competition. Mats Feliks of Netherlands came second, and Sebastian Weher of Germany finished third. Other speed events, including solving the cube blindfolded, with one hand and with one's feet.